First, open your browser and go to Google AI Studio. Once it loads, sign in with your Google account if it asks. Now, look for the Text-to-Speech option, or the Voice Generation section inside AI Studio. Open it, then choose Single Speaker if you want to generate voice for single narrator. Choose Multi-Speaker if you want to generate for more than one model, for podcast style. After selecting, you'll see a text box where you can type or paste your script. Next, choose the voice model or avatar you want to use. You can also adjust settings like tone or style if those options are available. Now, paste your text into the input box. Tip: if your script is long, generate it in smaller parts so it doesn't fail. After that, click Generate and wait a few seconds. Once the audio is generated, you'll see an audio player. Press play to preview the voice. If you want to keep it, click 3 dots menu near the audio player. Then click on Download. That's it. That's how you generate voice in Google AI Studio. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.